I decided to try out ooga.com, which claims you can get free gift card codes for things like Robux, Fortnite, Google Play, and more just by completing a few simple tasks. The idea definitely sounds appealing, free rewards for minimal effort, but once I actually went through the entire process, the experience was a bit more complicated than expected. I followed every step, clicked through the offers, completed the tasks they provided, and kept going just to see if there was any real outcome at the end. Some of the tasks seemed legit at first, but most of them redirected me to different third-party sites, many of which felt sketchy or overloaded with ads. There were moments when I thought I was getting close to a reward, but it just kept looping into more surveys or app downloads, and there was never a clear point where I could actually claim anything. I didn't receive any of the gift cards I was supposedly working toward, and there was no clear contact info or support system to reach out to either. The whole thing left me wondering if it's really set up to benefit users at all, or just a clever way to generate clicks and ad revenue. I didn't lose any money, but I definitely spent a lot of time going in circles. So overall, it wasn't the worst experience ever, but I also wouldn't call it trustworthy based on what I saw.